What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Caspians, I'm back with another Kaspa video. Kaspa continues to crush it, man. This is a true monster. This is the unicorn of this cycle as far as altcoins go. And I've said it time and time again, and we're gonna see that happen, man. $1 to $3 to $5 Kaspa. I'm not going to rule it out at all, and just gonna be patiently waiting, updating you guys on Kaspa's price action or any latest news that happens, any updates that come out from the community developers, and we're just gonna continue covering the project going into the top of the bull cycle, man. That's how it's gonna be on this channel, right? Caspians, if you are on this channel, you don't hold any Kaspa, you're doing it wrong, okay? Not financial advice, obviously, but I'm just saying, man, I've never seen such a strong project, from everything I've seen and researched, all the technology. Kaspa is just super strong, and it keeps boggling my mind that the top influencers, top YouTubers, etc. aren't covering the project. They're probably buying at the lows and not telling anyone about it. They're accumulating and waiting until it starts to explode even more to start covering it at that point, right? Instead of letting people know, hey, you guys probably got to get this project, but they know as soon as they start covering it, the project will explode even more, right? So they probably accumulating as we speak right now, and we'll see what happens though, guys. Yeah, if you hold Kaspa, you support the channel, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. A little bit under the weather, guys, but I'm doing my best to make these videos daily. Yesterday I didn't post because of Elon's rate limit situation with the tweets. Couldn't see any tweets, right? But yeah, we back, man, and right now Kaspa's price action always makes me smile. It always does, man. Sitting at $472 million in market cap, $50 million in 24-hour trade volume. 15 million 24-hour trade volume. This is such an insane project, guys, and I'm telling you, look at it, man. It's already looking like it's ready to break out once again from here, right? It's already looking like it's ready to break out once again from here. That $1 to $5 Kaspa, I'm not gonna rule that out, guys. A lot of people, Caspians, let me know what you think. What's your price targets for Kaspa? Let me know in the comment section. But as you guys can see right here, we had a bit of a retrace. Nice buying opportunity right here, and we are having a bounce. So let's see if this bounce continues up from here, guys. Let's see if this bounce continues up from here. I'll keep an eye on that, but yeah, man, the Kaspa chart is super strong. I wouldn't be surprised if we see 14 cents Kaspa, 15 cents Kaspa this year, right? Again, always look for good entries. Always buy red, don't buy green. DCA, right? Always DCA. Don't buy your whole bag right away. DCA as like once a week or once every few days, and always buy red. Wait until the bull cycle comes around, because Kaspa's gonna crush it for the bull cycle, then take profit, right? Have a plan, have a strategy, stick to that, right? That's what you have to do with projects. And when it comes to great altcoins like this that are so strong, man, you can't really go wrong with Kas, in my opinion. You can't really go wrong with it. Every time I check Twitter, I see more and more people talking about Kas. Top Twitter influencers always talking about Kas. They always have it in their portfolio, even if their portfolio is diversified. They have a bag of Kas in their portfolio as well, which is why I say, even if some exposure to Kas, if you want to make this your full conviction play as well, I wouldn't see that as a bad idea either, right? So that 10k to 100k Kaspa goal, in my opinion, is a great bet. That is a great bet, man. For Moonshot Josh, all you had to do this whole time was research Kas Anon. Look at this overview. Kaspa is a world-leading layer 1 blockchain that stands out for its exceptional speed, open source nature, full decentralization, and unmatched scalability. It represents the fastest and most efficient blockchain solution available, offering groundbreaking capabilities for the decentralized future. Features: fastest transaction, instant confirmation, scalability, future smart contract, security, block DAG consensus, community driven, fully decentralized. I love that. I love that decentralization, man. Technological advancements: proof of work, ghost DAG technology, K-heavy hash, block data pruning method to reduce the size of block DAG, no registration of big data. We got the tokenomics and everything. Problem solving: Kaspa solved the problem of scalability and performance limitations in blockchains by providing a fast, scalable, and decentralized layer 1 solution. Future potential: Kaspa has the potential to complement Bitcoin and contribute to its vision of a decentralized and efficient financial system. While Bitcoin has paved the crypto way, it faces challenges such as scalability and transaction speed. Kaspa's innovative solutions can address these limitations and offer a more efficient and scalable blockchain. Digital silver. From Glitched. Shout out to Moonshot Josh. Before I forget, shout out to Glitched. Cash transaction time varies. I did a multiple transaction test. All of them are below 10 seconds, but the fastest cash transaction from web wallet to Tangent card cold wallet was literally 2 seconds only. Wow. From Bitatron, confirmation times recorded on a real-time transaction. Cash versus KDA speed test is here. So now we're doing a speed test confirmation with Cash versus KDA. We saw Litecoin, we saw Dogecoin. Man, let's take a look at this, man. It's probably without audio, so this is let me speed through it. This is him sending cash, right? And this is him sending KDA. Cash, look at that. Look at how fast. Look at what the heck. Sent. Instant pending. Just like that, it's gone like in a few seconds, man. Now let's take a look at KDA. Is KDA still going? Wow, when did he start the KDA? So it hit both of them around the same time. Okay, I see. Dang. So Kaspa, look at that, was pending. Boom, gone. KDA is still going. Gone. Crazy, man. Even faster than KDA. I know a lot of people are super bullish on KDA, man. Kaspa is a beast. It is a monster, guys. I'm under the weather, but I'm still hyped. I'm telling you. Kaspa redefines what a proof of work crypto can achieve by staying true to Nakamoto consensus and introducing innovative improvements. It becomes the authentic P2P electronic cash system that Bitcoin failed to be. Decentralization and security are its unwavering pillars. From Kaspa News. Shout out to Kaspa News. You send Kaspa to the recipient, sending fiat to the bank. Obviously the fiat system is old and dated. We need a brand new system. We already see the cryptocurrency system being the new financial system of the world as we know it. In my opinion, crypto is the future. And Kaspa is one of those projects that will be one of the biggest projects because of its use cases, technology. You guys just saw like live in the video how fast Kaspa sent compared to KDA, right? And a lot of people are bullish on KDA. A lot of people are bullish on KDA, man. I remember the last cycle KDA was exploding. It's at 150 mil market cap right now. It was exploding, man. Everybody was bullish on it, but even KDA Kaspa is faster than, right? I'd expect it to be faster than Litecoin and Doge, no problem, but even KDA, guys. And this is the thing, the speed of Kaspa will just keep increasing, right? Because next step is 10 blocks per second, right? And eventually 32 blocks per second. So imagine how fast Kaspa will be, man. I tell you, it's gonna be like lightning. It's gonna be like the Flash, guys. Kaspa is super bullish. I'm super bullish on Kaspa. We'll see what happens in the price action. Maybe we do get more of a move up from here. Yeah, I'd be happy to see that. And yeah guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about Cas and myself will be in the description. Caspians, I appreciate all the support. Please go and rewatch all my previous Kaspa videos, right? I have a playlist where you guys can watch all of my Kaspa videos right here on the front page of my Twitter YouTube channel, not Twitter, YouTube channel. I have my Kaspa playlist, so go rewatch all of them Kaspa videos, show some support, get these videos out there, share it with the rest of the Caspians. And yeah, thanks so much for tuning in. Catch y'all in the next one.